Well, I did it. I converted my Ember 170 MRB to 3 200-watt solar panels and a Victron 100/500 controller along with a Victron Smart Shunt. I had to fish a line from behind the refrigerator through the floor of the trailer up front. I ended up coming through the vent in the front of the box here. The red and black wire to the right is what comes from the front, comes back across here and under the floor. I disconnected this purple and white wire. It goes to a box under the hitch where there is a positive bus bar it connects to through a mini breaker. This blue wire nut with the two wires in also held the third wire I just showed you with the red wire nut. They came from the controller on the wall by the refrigerator. The purple and white wire here are the feed to the battery for charging it. They go to the front where they join the feed from the outside solar connector and join the purple and white wire to the battery that I showed you under the couch. I have not verified with the meter, but I think these are the second set of wires on the solar side of the controller. The dark blue and white wires feeding in here come from the solar panels on the roof. The light blue and white wires, I suspect, are the capped wires I found underneath the jackknife sofa in the front of the camper. I installed MC4 connectors where it comes through the roof. Went down, went through the floor, and across underneath the kitchen cabinets. This is where I fished the wire through to come to the front battery box. I came up through the vent in the back of the battery box. I had to come across the floor a little ways from underneath the refrigerator before going through the floor under the drawers.